Welcome to my channel The Happy Gadgets. I'm here with another video, and today's video is all about cute and aesthetic gadgets of Kawaii. All the cute gadgets that make your kids happy. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Laundry basket storage organizer. This is a very cute rabbit laundry basket in different colors. This is also a storage organizer. You can also store your different toys, different things in this basket. Kawaii acrylic photo folder memo clip for decorations. These are for your decorations, for your desk decorations, for all the students who wants to decor your favorite actors' photos. You must buy this. Memo clip, message clip, home decorations. These are for the home decorations for the moms who write message for their kids. Links in the description box. You must buy this. Portable mini mobile phone stand. This is a very cute portable mini mobile phone stands in different colors. These are like the flexible chairs. You also decor many of other things here. You just stand your phone on it and use it easily. Cute school backpack for girls. This is a very cute bag for the girls. All the girls must love this puffy, fluffy plush bags. You must buy it for your girls. Links in the description box. All the gadgets links in the description box. If you have any other query, you must comment on my video. These are very in reasonable prices. Pink plush AirPod case. These are very cute pink AirPod case, very fluffy, very cute. All the girls must love this. You can also give to your friends, your siblings. Must buy it. Links in description. Pink Kawaii plush steering wheel cover. This is a wheel cover in a very fluffy plush type things and in a very beautiful colors. You must buy it. All the prices are very reasonable. Links in the description box. Rabbit pencil case. This is a very cute, large capacity, transparent rabbit pencil case in a very cute purple, yellow, pink, blue colors. You must buy it. You can also give to your friends, give to your siblings in birthdays. Links in description. Colorful large capacity pencil case. This is another large capacity pencil case in a very simple, in a very decent ways. You can use it in daily routine. You can also give to your friends also. Must buy. Links in description. Simple stationery box. This is another very cute large capacity stationery box with a rabbit picture on it. You can store many of your pencils, your scissors, your every stationery thing you just store in it. This is a very useful and a very convenient in this price, in a very reasonable price. Kawaii transparent wall mounted storage box. This is a wall mounted Kawaii storage box and this looks so cute. You can decor your desk with it and manage all your pens in it during your studies. This will help you a lot. You must buy it. Links in description. One piece creative cat hook. This is a very cute creative cat hook. You don't need any hole in your walls. You just stick on the wall and this is a so cute creative cat hook. You must buy it. Links in the description. Portable lunch bag for women. This is a very cute portable lunch box for women. You can carry so many food in this and this looks so cute and it's not very heavy. It's a very light weight bag and you can also wash it very easily. You must buy it. Links in the description box and this looks so cute. It has kitty on it. 6-piece baby electric nail trimmer. This is a very cute baby's nail trimmers. It has a cell on its back and this looks so cute. Just trim your baby's nail with it, and this is so convenient and is so reasonable in prices. You must buy it. Links in the description box. Beautiful pen holder. This is a very beautiful pen holder, like a mini fridge. You can decorate with 3D stickers. You can not only store many of your stationery things, but you can also store many of your makeup brushes here. This is so useful and so convenient. You can arrange it, decorate on your desk. Cute pink cat earpods. These are very cute earpods for the cat lovers, for the ones who love cats. You must buy it, girls. This is all for you. Kawaii mini art scissors. These are very cute mini art scissors. You can cut any of your papers easily. This is so useful for the students. You must buy it. Links in description. Kawaii lunchbox. This lunchbox is so useful. You must buy it. Links in description box. You must buy it for your kids. Photo mini printer. This is a photo mini printer. You must buy it. You just install a app that is called a printer, and you just print your picture, any of your picture if you want. So links in description box with the name of the product. Oil quick sands ruler. These are very cute rulers for the students, for the kids. Very flexible and very glittery. You must buy it. You can also give to your kids on their birthdays, on their best exams. Links in description. Stainless steel tumbler. These are stainless steel tumblers in different colors, in a very good quality, in a very reasonable prices. It has a straw on it. Very flexible. Links in description box. You must buy it. 3-in-1 R4, R7, R10 plastic stamping machine. These are a plastic stamping machine for your papers. You must stamp it very easily. It has a 4 shapes, corners. R4 is R7 is R10. Links in description box. Sanitary pad pouch. These are sanitary pads pouch for the girls. This is so convenient and so lightweight and a very good quality. You can also keep your cosmetic things here if you want, so you must buy it. Links in description. Cute mini loose leaf notebook. These are very cute loose mini notebooks for the kids, for the students. You must buy it for your kids. All the Kawaii products, links in description box. You can also check my other videos, other Kawaii videos, other home and kitchen gadgets videos. They are very useful. You must buy it. Links in description box. 20-piece gel set pen unicorn stationaries. These are a very cute gel pen stationaries for the kids, for the students. You must buy it. You must gain a very high marks if you write with these pencils. I'm sure of it because they write so well. They write so cute and so beautifully. You must check this. See how cute it is. All the products mentioned in the video, links given in the description box, and all products are available now, so you must buy it before they are sold out. If you like any of the product, you must buy it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and listening. You must check my other videos. Thank you.